Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Linux World with GK. My name is Gautam Kumar and I am a senior Linux administrator. In this video, I am going to show you how to install Magento 2 Community Edition latest version on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS using the Composer. So before starting the installation, I will tell you what is a Magento and what is Magento 2. So Magento is a powerful open source e-commerce platform written in PHP that helps programmers create an e-commerce website to sell online. It is known for its powerful feature, scalability, flexibility, offering different edition, community and enterprise edition for businesses of all size, from a small ventures to large enterprises. In another word, Magento is one of the well-known e-commerce websites where retailers can build an online store and deliver their customers online shopping experiences. Now I will tell you what is Magento 2. So Magento 2 is the latest major version of Magento e-commerce platform launched in 2015 as a complete overhaul of original Magento. It is more modern, faster, and scalable, user-friendly than its predecessors. So now I will explain you the hardware and software requirements of Magento 2 that you should know before starting the installation. So you can install the Magento 2 on different Linux distribution, for example RHEL, Ubuntu, Debian, and memory requirement for Magento is at least 4 GB or more than 4 GB. You also need Composer. As I said, I will show you how to install Magento 2 using the Composer. So Composer version you should have 2.2, and you also need one web server. So you can use either Apache or Nginx. I will use Nginx, and you also need one database. Either you can use MySQL or MariaDB. So I will use MySQL here, and Magento 2 also need PHP, and Magento 2 supports PHP 8.1 or 8.3. So you can use any one, and you also need the Elasticsearch, and version should be 7.1.7 or later version. So these are the hardware and software requirements, and now I am going to explain you what I am going to use to install the Magento. So my operating system is Ubuntu 22.04 LTS, and I will use Nginx server. Version will be 1.1.8 latest version, and I have 8 GB RAM on my machine and 2 CPU, and I will use add PHP 8.3, and MySQL version will be 8.0, and Composer version will be 2.8, and Elasticsearch version will be 9.1. So now I will move to installation part in a step by step. So first a step for installation is to update the operating system, and you can use this command to update your operating system. So this is my Ubuntu machine. So let me run this command to update my operating system. I have already executed, so it should not take much time because my system is already updated. You can see. Now I will move to a step 2, Nginx web server installation. So you need to run just 3 simple commands: install Nginx, and then you need to start the Nginx. Yes, now I need to run the third command that will ensure the Nginx will start automatically on boot. System detail enable Nginx. Yeah, so I have completed a step 2. I will move to a step 3 to install the PHP and PHP extension. To install the PHP 8.3 with necessary extension, you need to execute the following commands. So I will run all command one by one. Friends, you can see I am logged in as a root, so sudo is not necessary here. But if you are not installing the Ubuntu as a root user, then you need to use the sudo command, sudo in all commands. Here you need to press enter, and then you need to execute apt update. The last command is to install the PHP 8.3 and all required extensions. Yes. To check PHP version, you need to run PHP space -v. So PHP and PHP extension has been installed. Now you can run this command to check the version of the PHP. You can see PHP 8.3. Now I will move to step 4 to update the PHP configuration file. So you can run this command to find the configuration file path. You can see the configuration file path is etc php 8.3 cli php ini. So you can open this file using any editor. I used Vim editor, and you can check. You can see already file uploads set to on. Now I will check this URL. This is also already set. Now I will check sort open tag. Yeah, it is off. So you need to set it to on, and then you need to check upload max file. Upload max file is 2 MB, so you need to change it to 128 MB, and the last one is to set max execution time. Max execution time is set to 30, so you need to change it to 3600. Yes, now save and exit from here. Now you need to restart Nginx. Yes, so I have completed a step 4. Now I will move to a step 5 to install MySQL. To install MySQL, you need to run a command apt install MySQL server, and then you need to execute these two commands to start the MySQL and to enable the MySQL start on boot. It's taking little time. Yes. Now, yeah, I have executed the two commands systemctl start MySQL and systemctl enable MySQL. After installing and starting MySQL, execute the command MySQL secure installation to improve the security of your MySQL installation. So I will enter MySQL secure installation, press yes, you can choose anyone. I am entering 0, remove anonymous users, yes, disallow the root login remotely, yes, remove the test database, yes, reload the privilege, yes. Okay. Now you need to log in MySQL. Yeah. And now execute the database for Magento and user for Magento, and you need to grant a permission. So you need to execute these 6 commands within the MySQL prompt. I will execute one by one. Yes, I have done. Now I will move to step 6 to install the Elasticsearch. So to install the Elasticsearch on Ubuntu uh, 22.04 LTS, we need to execute this command first to import Elasticsearch GPG key, and then you need to run this command to add the Elasticsearch repository. Yes, now you can update the package and install the Elasticsearch. Yes. I will repeat it, it will take some time. You can see now Elasticsearch has been installed. So you can note down the password of the Elasticsearch that you keep it for future purpose. So I will note this. Okay, so now I will move forward. So you can see you need to reload the daemon here. So so I have to reconnect my server. Yeah. So here you need to run these 3 commands. First is to reload the daemon, and second to start Elasticsearch, and third to enable the Elasticsearch on boot. It will take few moments, up to 30 seconds or 1 minute. So please wait. Yes. Yeah. So now I will open this Elasticsearch configuration file and I will do some changes. So I always use Vim editor. You can use any different editor. So you need to do here few changes, like you need to edit this to 127.0.0.1, and you need to uncomment this code, and yes, you need to change to false, disable authentication, and yeah, here also you need to set it to false, disable the TLS. At this moment do not require, it's not mandatory, so I have disabled it. And now I will restart the Elasticsearch using systemctl restart Elasticsearch. So as usual, it will take few seconds, but not more than 30 seconds. Once this command will execute it, then I will run this command to check the Elasticsearch status. Elasticsearch work correctly, you will receive the output like this. I will show you in some moment. Yeah, you can see. So at this moment I can see my Elasticsearch is working fine. So now I will move to step 7 to install the composer. To install the composer, you need to run this command. Downloading. Yes, now move composer.phl to this path, user local bin composer. Now execute permission, grant execute permission. Yes, done. Now you can check composer version. Yes, you can see 8.3. Sorry, it's PHP version. Composer version is 2.8. Yeah, so I have done a step 7. Now I will move to a step 8. Install Magento 2. So installing Magento using marketplace by creating access key and is recommended. Yeah, so you need to log in on Magento 2 marketplace portal. I need to create an access key. Let me show you. Magento marketplace. I have already created a key and secret, but I will just show you how to do it. So you need to authenticate. You need to put here not now. Yes. So yes, my profile access key. Yeah, this is my public and private key. Later I will change. So I will use this key, and to download the Magento 2 latest data, you need to execute following command. So the data will be downloaded on var www.www.html Magento 2 path. Yes, username. The username is a public key, and password is this one. Yes. Yeah, loading composer repository with package information, so it will take some time. Yeah, so once this command will be executed, then I will move to this folder, and then will set appropriate permission for cache and static content folder, and then I will change the ownership of Magento directly to web server user and adjust the permission. So under the Magento 2 folder, the user and group should be www-data, and Later I will execute this command to install the composer. Sorry, to install the Magento using the composer. So it is taking time. Downloading 95%, 99, installing. It's going very fast. Installing PHP MD 61%, 70% completed. Okay. Yeah, that has been completed. Now I will move to this path as already I have explained, and will execute this command. Reset appropriate permission for cache and static content. Okay, now I will change the ownership under the Magento 2 directory and will set the permission. Okay, now I will install the Magento 2 using Composer. So you need to execute this command. Here you can see all the details like base URL, database host, database name, database user, database DB password, first name, last name, language, currency. We can change it to different currency. Time zone is Asia, Kolkata. Elasticsearch details are here. Localhost, Elasticsearch port, timeout. Okay. So I will execute this command. Yeah, it will take some time, but not much more. Yeah, you can say installing. It will complete in few moments. Yeah, you can see success, nothing to import. So you need to note down this admin URI that you need to keep it to log in the admin interface of Magento 2. Let me note down this. Yes, I have done. So now I will move to step 9 to configure Nginx web server. You need to move to this path and you need to create Magento 2.conf. It's optional. You can create something else, but you need to create under this path. It is nginx conf.d. Now you need to put this content under this file. So this is for virtual hosting, and you need to edit the server name. test.example.com, and yeah, now save and exit from here. Yes, restarted. Now I will try to log in. So You can monitor the logs. Friends, you can see my machine public IP is this one, but it is a host entry is wrong. So let me change it. Yes. So friends, you can see Nginx is working fine, but Magento is not working. You can see the page is not working. So we need to test the logs, and here you can see PHP message, PHP fatal error, uncovered Gen cache exception, cache directory, and www where page cache is not writable. So to fix this error, we need to execute a few commands. Let me tell you. So first command is this, and second command is this. In the ownership, that command is set appropriate permission, and directory and fourth command is to set appropriate permission on file under var. Let me read right now. Yes, you can see home page is accessible now. Let me try to access admin page. Yes, admin page is also accessible. So let me log in. Here you will get error because 2FA is not, yeah, failed. You need to configure 2FA authorization. So at this moment I will disable the 2FA here. So to disable the 2FA, you need to execute the few command. The first command is here. So so where www.html magento 2, and the second command is to disable the 2FA. Yes, here you can see you need to run setup di compile command. So I will run this command now, and then we'll run to flush the cache. It will take some time, up to 30 seconds. Yes. Yeah, 44% completed. So it will take next few seconds. Sometime this command takes some more time, but yeah, it has been completed. Now I will run the command to flush the cache, and now I will run few more commands. Yes, now I will refresh this page. Yes, you can see. Let me log in this admin 1 2 3. Yes, now you can see the dashboard of Magento 2. Everything's are fine here. So at this moment I have completed this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.